Hi, I'm Eric Spenceley with Spenceley Design Co. Today I'm going to show you how I installed all these LED lights in our shop for under $50. Let's check it out. Now I'm sure we're not the only ones out there that have their workshop in a garage and the lighting is just terrible. As you can see, I'm trying to film right now. You can't see me very well. It's very grainy, it's very pixelated, so we need better light. So let's fix that.
We went on Amazon and bought this 6-pack of 4-foot LED bulbs. We'll put a link down in the description for the exact kit that we used. But this kit came with all the wiring and mounting hardware that you would need. The LED bulbs were extremely easy to install on the ceiling. We first pre-drilled a hole, and then we came back with a screw to hold the clip to the rafter. The specific screws that came with this kit weren't awesome, so we ended up using our own screws because the ones with the kit tended to strip off the Phillips head very easily. After we had the 2 brackets mounted to the ceiling, all we had to do was push the light bar into the metal brackets and they clipped in place. We continued this process throughout the entire rest of the installation, making sure that our light bars were close enough to each other that the cords could reach. This is a little bit different project than we tend to post on our channel, but we wanted to give some behind the scenes look. The whole reason we decided to do this lighting project is so we can have a very bright place to film all of our future videos. If you want to stay up to date on all of our most recent projects, don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow us at Spenceley Design Co. Instagram is our social media of choice and where you can find all of our behind the scenes photos that we post as we're working on all of our future projects. And of course, if you want to stay up to date on all of our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. The whole project took about an hour to complete, but would have gone a lot faster if we had a dedicated ladder instead of just an old workbench we had to move every single time I had to put something else up on the ceiling.
So to give you an idea of what the lighting actually looks like, this is what it looks like with just the light from the garage here. And this is what it's going to look like with the LED switched on. As you can tell, the lighting is so much better. You can see me, you can see everything else in the shop, and it's going to look great.